Today we will talk about the presentation from Apple WWDC 2021. A brief overview. We see on the screen Mr. Tim Cook. Next we see Mr. Craig Dale. We see the new iOS 15, new FaceTime, new Zoom feature for everyone, the Share Game feature. We listen to music and watch movies together and communicate. New notifications and focus feature. There are great notifications using artificial intelligence. The new function allows you to copy text from a photo. Improved attention function when entering contact data. All information is shown. Keyless access to the car with the help of an iPhone. Passport in the smartphone, but only for the United States. The weather widget has been updated. The Maps app has been updated. New feature for AirPods helps people with hearing loss and better sound. Next comes the iPad iOS. Missing desktop and missing calculator, but you can make apps for iPhone on iPad. All other features as on iOS 15. The new Siri processes the voice immediately on the device, and thanks to this it works quickly. All information traffic will be zipped up. New iCloud subscription plus, but at the same price. Viewing the health status of relatives. New watchOS 8. New injection breath. Added the Pilates and Tatesa app. New watch face with photo and portrait support. Advanced keyboard. And the Home app. Siri will not be available only on Apple devices. Mac OS. Monterey. All functions as an iPad OS 15. Universal control on the iPad. And on the Mac makes it possible to transfer files between devices without additional settings. Just install the devices nearby. Full-fledged AirPlay on Mac. Updated Safari. All features have made updates. The interface has become minimalistic. An extension from Mac OS will appear on iPhone and iPad. Now Xcode. The function works to Tsira and compels in cloud storage. All beta versions of operating system products are already available, but the release will be in the fall. So guys, at the moment, this was all the known information. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, love, subscribe, tap to make a call. Siri, I was with you.